So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from S block elements and it will be whole NCERT based. So our first question is, the alkali metals are low melting. Which of the following alkali metal is expected to melt if the room temperature rises to 30 degrees Celsius? Is it Na, K, Rb or Cs? So our answer is Cs. Okay. Alkali metals react with water vigorously to form hydroxides and dihydrogen. Which of the following alkali metal reacts with water least vigorously? It is Li, Na, K or Cs. So our answer is Li is reacts with least vigorously. The reducing power of a metal depends on various factors. Suggest the factor which makes Li the strongest reducing agent is Li in aqueous solution. Is it sublimation enthalpy, ionization enthalpy, hydration enthalpy or electron gain enthalpy? So our answer goes to hydration enthalpy. Li is the strongest reducing agent. Metal carbonates decompose on heating to give metal oxides and carbon dioxide. Which of the metal carbonates is most stable thermally? So our answer is BaCO3 is most stable thermally. Okay. Which of the following carbonates can given below is unstable in air and kept in CO2 atmosphere to avoid decomposition? Is it BeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3 or BaCO3? So our answer goes to BeCO3. Metals form basic hydroxides. Which of the following metal hydroxide is the least basic? Least basic. Which one? MgOH whole 2 or CaOH whole 2 or SrOH whole 2 or BaOH whole 2? So our answer goes to MgOH whole 2 is the least basic one. Some of the group 2 metal halides are covalent and soluble in organic solvents. Among the following metal halides, which is soluble in ethanol is which one? BeCl2, MgCl2, CaCl2 or SrCl2? So our answer goes to BeCl2. The order of decreasing ionization enthalpy in alkali metals is this one. The solubility of metal halides depend on their nature, lattice enthalpy, hydration enthalpy of the individual ions. Amongst fluorides of the alkali metals, the lowest solubility of LiF in water is due to high lattice enthalpy. Amphoteric hydroxides react with both alkalis and acid. Which of the following group 2 metal hydroxide is soluble in sodium hydroxide? So our answer goes to BeOH whole 2. It is soluble in sodium hydroxide. In the synthesis of sodium carbonate, the recovery of ammonia is done by treating NH4Cl with CaOH whole 2. The byproduct obtained in this process is CaCl2 is the byproduct. When sodium is dissolved in liquid ammonia, solution of deep blue color is obtained. The color of the solution is due to ammoniated electrons. This is the star mark questions. By adding gypsum to cement, what we do? Setting time of cement increases. When we add gypsum to cement, setting time of cement increases. Dead burnt plaster is CaSO4 is dead burnt plaster. When we remove water, then it is dead burnt plaster. Suspension of slaked lime in water is known as what it is known? Milk of lime. Suspension is known as milk of lime. Okay. Which of the following elements does not form hydride by direct heating with the dihydrogen? Our answer is BE. Does not form hydride by direct heating with the dihydrogen. The formula of soda ash is Na2CO3. A substance which gives brick red flame and breaks down on heating to give oxygen and brown gas is? It is calcium nitrate. Okay. Which of the following statement is true about CaOH whole 2? Our answer goes, it is used in preparation of bleaching powder. A chemical A is used for preparation of washing soda to recover ammonia. When CO2 is bubbled through an aqueous solution of A, the solution turns milky. It is used in whitewashing due to disinfectant nature. What is the chemical formula of A? Our answer is CaOH whole 2. As CaOH whole 2 is used for making washing soda to recover ammonia when CO2 is bubbled through an aqueous solution. When you will pass CO2, the solution turns milky due to formation of CaCO3 and it is used in whitewashing due to disinfectant nature. What is the chemical formula of A? So our A is CaOH whole 2. Okay. Dehydration of hydrates of halides of calcium, barium and strontium CaCl2 6H2O BaCl2.2H2O SrCl2.2H2O can be achieved by heating. These become wet on keeping in air. Which of the following statement is correct about these halides? So our answer is all of the above. That is, act as dehydrating agent, can absorb moisture from air, tendency to form hydrate decreases from calcium to barium. Hydrate formation decreases from calcium to barium. Okay. Now, in the following questions, two or more options may be correct. Two or more options may be correct. Metallic elements are described by their standard electrode potential, fusion enthalpy, atomic size. The alkali metals are characterized by which of the following properties? The alkali metals. Okay. High negative standard electrode potential and large atomic size. Several sodium compounds found used in industries. Which of the following compounds are used for textile industry? So our answer is Na2CO3 and NaOH. Which of the following compounds are readily soluble in water? So our answer goes to BeSO4 and MgSO4. When zeolites, which is hydrated sodium aluminum silicate, is treated with hard water, the sodium ions are exchanged with which of the following ions? So our answer goes to magnesium ion and calcium ions. Identify the correct formula of halides of alkali earth metals from the following. BaCl2.2H2O and CaCl2.6H2O. Choose the correct statement from the following. Beryllium is not readily attacked by acid because of the presence of an oxide film on the surface of the metal. It is correct. And Beryllium sulfate is readily soluble in water as the greater hydration enthalpy of Be plus 2 overcomes the lattice enthalpy factor. Which of the following are the correct reason for anomalous behavior of lithium? So our answer goes to exceptionally small size of the atom, small size and its high polarizing power. Li plus is having high polarizing power. Okay. All the best for NEET exams.